I just had the camera off and on the phone with Jaeger and the sandpike bit. It's a nice sandpike, probably about a 15 or 16 incher. Pretty thing. I just caught a sandpike before that and I wasn't recording too, and it was about 10 inches. So the pile looks like it got destroyed a little bit. Hang it up. No, they're down there right now too. Yeah, we're done.